Sing! Happy birthday to you. Love guys, come on. Happy birthday to you. Love Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alright, and now sing happy birthday. Clap your hands. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright, bago syempre ito ni Sarah, kaya na si Kate, we have a birthday wish, Mami. Ngayong first birthday ni Sarah. Okay, Mami, what's your birthday wish?
Maya ka pa. Alright. Okay, come on.
Ayan, birthday wish ko sa'yo, anak. Always good health, kayong dalawa ni ate. Laging mabait. Alam mo namang napakabait mo talaga. Tapos, bawasan pag-iiyak eh. Mahal na mahal ko kayo dalawa. I love you. Happy birthday.
Alright. Okay. Okay, palpakan na natin si Mami sa magandang wish niya. Siyempre, be a good girl. Okay, ha? Good health. That's si Daddy, birthday wish Daddy. Ngayong first birthday ni Sahara.
Ayun lang. Happy birthday, anak. Love you. Ayun lang. Always good health lang sa dalawang anak.
Okay.
And magaling sila sa sakit. Lahat gagawin ko para sa anak. Love you.
Okay, palpakan naman natin si Mami and si Daddy sa magandang birthday wish. Okay, Mami and Daddy, hindi lang kayo may birthday wish kay Sahara ngayong first birthday niya. Gagawin po Tito Magician niya and Tito Cloud, may birthday wish sa kanya. Okay, sana mag-gets mo kahit 1 years old pa lang. Okay, Sarah, sana sa paglaki mo, malaki ka na. Alam mo ba yun?
Tama ng tingin sa'yo.
Okay, sama na tingin. Okay, then, saan mapasin namin yung birthday party mo ngayon today? Okay, Sarah. And, Sarah, close your eyes. Make a big, big wish. Blow your candle. Count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Blow your candle. Alright, okay, palapakan natin si Sarah. Okay, take picture again. Kasama sa cake natin. Okay, ready?